This is the installation guide for the pipe feeder. When installing the pipe feeder, make sure the bottom bracket is right up against the black plate. This ensures that the pipe feeder is always on the right height. Top bracket can vary in height. In addition to the clamps, we also have this clamp which is mounted using an M10 threaded rod. This is the wall clamp which secures the pipe feeder against the wall. The long side of the pipe feeder must be installed facing the cow. When installing the pipe feeder to the multi-frame, first access the clamps to the multi-frame. Slide the pipe feeder into the clamps and make sure the bottom clamp is up against the black plate. Fixing the pipe feeder to the multi-frame is easy and saves drilling holes in the wall. It also ensures the perfect drop height at all times. This is how you adjust the plastic part, after which you can reset the motor. Make sure that the top arrow on the pipe feeder lines up with the bottom arrow on the pipe. Then put the motor on the pipe feeder and screw it back on.